of Draft City Resolution number 13-SP-2026-269 is on second reading, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, esteemed members of this august body, before us is Draft City Resolution number 13-SP-2026-269, a resolution encouraging the use of the Ilokano dialect in official public signages within the city of Laoag. Article 14, Section 7 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution provides that regional languages are the auxiliary official languages in their respective regions and shall serve as auxiliary media of communication and instruction therein, recognizing their importance in effective local governance and public engagement. Article 14, Section 14 of the 1987 Philippine Constitution mandates the state to foster the preservation, enrichment, and dynamic evolution of a Filipino national culture based on the principle of unity in diversity, including the protection and promotion of regional dialects as essential elements of cultural identity. The Ilocano dialect is the primary dialect spoken by the majority of residents of Laoag City and serves as a fundamental medium of daily communication, reflecting the city's cultural identity, shared history, and collective heritage. Promoting the Ilocano dialect in public spaces reinforces cultural pride among residents and strengthens the Laoageños' connections to its traditions, values, and historical roots. The increased visibility and use of the Ilocano dialect in official signages contributes significantly to its preservation and continued relevance, especially among younger generations who play a crucial role in sustaining linguistic and cultural traditions. Incorporating Ilocano in official public signages affirms the city government's commitment to safeguarding and promoting cultural heritage while recognizing linguistic diversity as an important part of inclusive and responsive governance. The use of Ilocano alongside Filipino and English in official public signages promotes multilingualism and ensures that public information remains accessible, culturally relevant, and reflective of the linguistic realities of the local population. Public signages serve as essential tools for disseminating information, providing directions, and ensuring public safety, and their effectiveness is greatly enhanced when presented in a dialect that is widely spoken, understood, and culturally familiar to the people. I am now ready for interpellation, Mr. Chair.